Alright, you guys, I'm back with another unboxing. So, this may not be a big deal for everybody else, but it's a big deal for me because it's the first time I ever had one. So, these, I was checking around. I think I checked at like 3 of our counties close to me on the prices of this other unboxing. And I looked up with this one too. And it's so funny how you go from county to county, and each county may have like a $10 difference from the next county. So sometimes it goes up or it may go down. So I started learning that a couple of years back to check all 3 of my Walmarts that I can get to that I'm surrounded with. And there's we have 2 in town, and then we have another 2 in 2 different counties. So I started, checking around to see who has the better prices on this next unboxing. So let me make sure I got my tools with these big old boxes now. My knife. All right, you guys. So this other unboxing, like I said, it may not be a big deal to you guys because you may have one, but this is Essie's first time having one. All right, hold on, you guys, because this is a big heavy one too. Where you at? Oh, yeah. Bam. All right, you guys. I've always wanted a Kitchenaide. Yes, I always wanted a Kitchenaide. I used to work in a tea room here. That was one of my little side jobs. I almost brought it. They wanted to actually sell it to me, but I had so many other things going on with the shop and stuff like that with my salon. So I said, you know what, this, running the salon is enough for me right now. But the tea room was so quaint, it was so cute, and things of that nature. I was tempted. Okay, so this is the Kitchenaide, and it is actually a deluxe. And of course, we all know it's the number one mixer in the world right now. Okay, let's see. So, okay, I'm loving these charts. All right, so that's another chart there that gives you all the attachments. Okay. And again, let me get this down and then bring it back up. Hold on, you guys. She heavy too. All right. Yeah, she real heavy. Direction, our manual right there, and let me get this foam off of her. So she going right on the rack too. She going straight on the appliance rack. Okay, here's my little attachments here. I think they'll come out the other way. Yeah, 1, 2. Put this foam away. All right, you guys. Here's this beauty right here. Look at there. She is actually a 4.5. Yeah, 4.5 quarts. 4.3 liter. Wow. Whew. She's a bad mamma jamma too. But what I was saying, let me go back to the tea room. At the tea room, the lady that I was working for, she was teaching me, she was a baker. And I mean, she was teaching me all kind of stuff to bake scones. And I mean, she just was real gangster with it. I don't consider myself a baker. I can bake, but baking is so messy. But last year I did a lot of baking. I mean, I was baking like 2 and 3 cakes a week for my manpower. My sons was loving that. But I'm definitely gonna probably be doing a lot more baking with this bad boy right here. Ooh. Let's see. Turn her around so you guys can see her. Yeah, she's a beauty too. Okay, so you have your lever that brings it up and down on this side. Your area where you do all your attachments. And I did have the attachments in the cart, and then I said, being that I was buying all these appliances, I said, shoot, I could always get attachments. So I'm definitely gonna get the attachments. Okay, so here's all your settings. On this side it goes up to 10. You got in between, auto off and on. Man, oh man. And this one here was, I think she was like $179. Yeah, I know y'all probably like, what? Yep. And it was crazy because she was $2 something as I traveled to the different Walmarts. She was $2 something, and actually she was actually more money because of the body of it, the old-fashioned silver. So she was a lot more than the ones that were in color. And usually I find that strange because usually when you buy stuff in color, that makes it more money. But being that this is the classic look of a Kitchenaide, I think that's why. So yeah, you guys. And the other attachment is in here as well. I got tape on my finger. Yeah, so the other attachment is in here as well. And I definitely can't wait to get to her. I have a lot of cake mix, so I'll probably be baking for the next couple of weeks too. Hey, you guys, isn't she beautiful too? Ah! Oh my gosh. So I can't wait to use those. And I'm gonna move her to the side. And she going straight on the rack too. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this other unboxing since I have some more time on the what's the name. And I know this is not a big deal for a lot of people, and this is not my first one, but it is. I am trying the little griddle, and this is by Farberware, and I think I've had 2 mainstays, and I love them. So, and I'm sure everybody else got one of these in their house. I love them, especially when it comes to making your breakfast on here. I do love them. So my mainstays, I had 2 mainstays over probably the last maybe 16 years. Oh, that over there. And she's real light. She's actually lighter than the mainstay. She is super light. Okay. Then that drip tray. She's a beauty too. Easy to clean. I don't have to wipe it off. I got all that factory stuff on there. So I'll be using this on the regular. And I'm sure my kids will be using it on the regular. And maybe they'll get in the kitchen more. One of my sons, he loved to cook. I told him he need to get on the video with me. He's such a good, I call him my chef. And he was making fun of one of my other sons. He said, I ain't never seen that boy pick up a pot. I said, he do eggs. It's been a long time since he scrambled some eggs. And me and my baby boy, we were snapping on him in the car the other day. We were snapping on my Najee. That's the one that like to eat out all the time. But they all do at this age. Okay, so that's the drip tray. Let's see. Okay, right there. That's a strong drip tray. It sounds like it might have some metal in it. You know, most of them are plastic, and they do melt. Yeah, I'm sure they're gonna have fun with this too. Okay, there we go. So she is going on the appliance rack as well. And put all my directions up, all my little gadgets. I'm gonna put these in here until I get ready to use them because I don't want nothing to happen to them. So that is Essie unboxing for today. Her mainstay, I mean not mainstay, fiberware griddle and my Kitchenaide. My Kitchenaide mixer. She's so cute. She's a beauty, but she heavy too. She heavy too. But I know I'm going to have her probably for the next, 15, 20, 30 years. Because these last a long time. I've even was tempted to buy a used one on eBay. And I was like, no, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to watch the prices and get me a brand new one. But even the ones that's on eBay, some of them are new, and then some of them are old. You got vintage ones that are still running, and you guys may have a mother, a parent that's still using theirs from way back in the day. So I'm looking forward to having some longevity with her, making some great dishes and things of that nature. So I hope you guys, and let me know if you guys are doing anything other than just mixing with your Kitchenaide, because I love the accessories. I love accessories. I love kitchen gadget accessories. I really do. And this one has, geez, it looks like it has over 10. You got pasta, you got chopper, you got a spiraler, you got like a juicer, you got like a pureer, and that's one thing I was looking forward to doing. I want to definitely get into making my own sauces, and I see that it has the tomato sauce adapter to it. I mean connector. Yeah, man, you could do a whole lot with this thing. Oh, also the what you call it? I wouldn't know. I have to look in the book to find out what they call that when you want to make your sausages and stuff like that. So I can't wait to do that. Or do your own mincing of your meat, like maybe mince some chicken, or even your steak to ground beef. Let me know what you guys is doing with this. If y'all have the other accessories, attachment accessories to this, let me know what you're doing with it, because it looks like it's, well, I already know it's gangster. It's definitely gangster. All right, family. So I'm gonna put up all of my appliances and just shift some things around and figure out what I know. I already know what I'm gonna do with this, but when it comes to that other one, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. But all right, family. So this is SEK. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I wanted to unbox them. I could not wait to get them out of the box. So make sure you guys just drop me a line. Let me know what you're doing with them. And SEK the Homesteader will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.